Things and events flow with ease. 1. When the world seems to turn against all that I want and strive for, I just have to stop myself in track and remember to breathe. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel. 2. As I breathe slowly in and out, I can feel that I release tension. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel. 3. The resistance I hold inside will only increase if I give into the wanting to talk and whine about the event happened. So instead I breathe out the hurt and I decide I'll shift my focus. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel. 4. Neutrality is the key. And to get to that point, I'm going to get myself to feel less hurt and more blessed. So I say this is actually a blessing in disguise, even if I can't see it yet. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel. 5. I know that the universe is conspiring for me and have my best interest at heart, so I just have to release and let the universe take care of things. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel. 6. I'm stepping aside and letting the universe take care of things. I'm saying, show me the way to go about this. Give me some clarity. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel. 7. Now I wait to receive signs, and while I do that, I'm going to make myself a cup of coffee to enjoy. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel. 8. I'm appreciating that I took the time to make myself a treat. I'm enjoying my coffee, looking out the window, just observing, looking at the birds. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel. 9. I see the birds flying, enjoying life. I see the breeze flowing, butterflies and dragonflies passing by. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel. 10. I only observe them and enjoy their beauty and grace. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel. 11. Life keeps changing, and though things get hard and out of my way, I can always choose to fly above or around it. Just breathe in, breathe out. Feel. 12. I can now breathe with ease, and I feel the flow. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel. Things and events flow with ease. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.